Hi Florida Outdoor Adventures, hope you're well. Keep adventuring.
Guys, thanks for clicking Florida Outdoor Adventures. Once again, we're on our way to some boat camping, and we're going to reveal some of the latest camping gear we have. And we have Captain Carne, so we're going to have a really cool caveman tacos tonight.
Go! Welcome aboard, Captain.
Thank you, buddy.
Use the vessel.
All right.
Then you put it on the side of the bottom.
Yeah. So I got the last parking space.
Really?
Thank God that these people now have to park on the grass or something.
No problem.
Halfway to the destination, to the private island camping, but we have to take a little break. We're beat up with the waves here at the Hullover Sandbar.
No, I'm kidding. What can I do for you, Captain?
Nothing. Chill out. Relax. Okay, we made it to the port of Miami. Right here's the cruise ships. We still probably have about 2 hours, 1 or 2 hours to get to our destination, set up camp, and start the barbecue. We have the master right there. Cheetah,
Thank you, Captain.
our island for the night, and for some other people.
Yeah.
Marcelo was talking about. Okay, so we need a couple palms, at least 3, for the hammocks. We made it, brother. Fucking
Thank you, buddy.
thunderstorms,
Yes.
severe waves,
Yes.
10 to 12 foot waves.
Oh, yes. Giant squids and octopus.
Giant squids. If there was a giant squid, we would be grilling it tonight.
Yes.
So there's no
Trust me.
giant squid. Yeah.
I would have cut it with my teeth.
Yes. Up all the new camping gear that we have with the old stuff. We're going to share with you. We're going to test tonight 2 Trekology sleeping pads. One is a inflatable one and one is a self-inflating. So I guess we'll flip a coin.
I do the blowing.
Okay. All right, he gets the blow up one. He thinks it's a blow up doll.
Yes.
What else we have? We have some pillows.
Yes.
We have the Trekology table. We have the Trekology chairs. We have a solar charger. We have 2 Alpha Outpost boxes to show you. So please stay tuned. I'm going to try to do it in one part of the video. It might be more than one. And you could always check out No Way Back. That's his YouTube channel. And he'll have an alternative view of this weekend's island camping.